Hello everyone, welcome back once again to our channel. Today, we're diving into the most crucial HTML interview questions and answers for 2024. Whether you're preparing for an HTML interview or looking to brush up on your HTML knowledge, having a solid grasp of key concepts is crucial. Here are the most important HTML interview questions and detailed answers for 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering these questions will help you ace your next HTML interview. So if you are ready, let's get started. Question 1. What is HTML, and what is its role in web development? Answer. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create and design web pages. It structures content on the web, using tags to define elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. HTML provides the skeleton of a web page, which can then be styled with CSS or cascading style sheets, and made interactive with JavaScript. In web development, HTML is essential as it ensures that content is properly formatted and accessible, forming the foundation upon which websites are built and displayed in web browsers. Its simplicity and flexibility make it a crucial tool for web developers. Question 2. Explain the difference between div and span tags. Answer. The div and span tags are both HTML elements used for grouping content, but they serve different purposes. The div tag is a block-level element, meaning it takes up the full width available and starts on a new line, making it suitable for larger sections of a web page such as paragraphs, images, or groups of elements. In contrast, the span tag is an inline element, which means it only takes up as much width as necessary and doesn't force a new line, making it ideal for styling parts of text within a paragraph or small portions of a document. Question 3. What is the purpose of the alt attribute in an img tag? Answer. The alt attribute in an img tag provides alternative text for an image, enhancing accessibility and usability. When an image fails to load, the alt text is displayed in its place, offering context about the image's content. It is essential for visually impaired users who rely on screen readers to interpret web content, as the screen reader reads the alt text aloud. Additionally, alt text improves SEO by helping search engines understand the image's relevance to the surrounding content. Proper use of alt attributes ensures a more inclusive and informative web experience for all users. Question 4. Explain the difference between section, article, and div elements. Answer. The section element is used to define sections in a document, typically representing thematic grouping of content. It's often used for chapters, headers, footers, or any distinct part of a web page. The article element signifies independent, self-contained content, like blog posts or news articles. It's intended for content that can stand alone. On the other hand, div is a generic container for grouping and styling purposes, lacking any inherent semantic meaning. It's commonly used for layout purposes or to group elements for styling. In essence, section and article provide semantic clarity, while the div serves structural and styling purposes. Question 5. What is the purpose of the meta tag in HTML? Answer. The meta tag in HTML serves several purposes, primarily providing metadata about the document. It includes information like character encoding, viewport settings for responsive design, and keywords for search engine optimization, SEO. It's crucial for ensuring proper rendering across different browsers and devices. Additionally, meta tags can specify authorship, description, and other details helpful for web indexing and accessibility. For instance, the robots meta tag instructs search engine crawlers on how to index or follow links within the page. Overall, meta tags enhance the usability, visibility, and compatibility of web pages across the Internet ecosystem. Question 6. Explain the difference between OL and YOL tags. Answer. The YOL or ordered list and DOL or unordered list tags are used in HTML to structure lists. The main difference lies in their display style. OL creates a numbered list where each item is marked with a sequential number, representing a specific order or hierarchy. Conversely, UL generates a bullet point list where each item is marked with a bullet, without any inherent order. OL is ideal for sequences or steps, like recipe instructions, while DOL suits lists without a particular sequence, such as itemized features or points. Both tags offer semantic organization, enhancing accessibility and readability of content. Question 7. What is semantic HTML, and why is it important? Answer. Semantic HTML refers to using HTML elements that convey meaning beyond just presentation. It employs tags like header, footer, nav, article, etc., to structurally define content, enhancing accessibility, SEO, and readability. By semantically organizing content, it improves understanding for both humans and machines, aiding in website navigation, screen reader interpretation, and search engine indexing. This approach also fosters maintainability and future-proofing, as its separate structure from style, allowing for easier updates and adaptation to different devices. In essence, semantic HTML enhances the web experience by ensuring content is intelligible, navigable, and adaptable across various platforms. Question 8. What is the purpose of the header and footer elements? Answer. The header element typically contains introductory content or navigational aids for a web page, such as a logo, site title, or main menu. It provides context and aids in site navigation. Conversely, the footer element resides at the bottom of a web page and often includes copyright information, contact details, and links to related resources. It serves to conclude the content and provide supplementary information. Both elements enhance the structure and accessibility of web pages, aiding users in understanding and navigating the site while also providing important contextual information. Question 9. Explain the purpose of the dframe tag. Answer. The dframe tag in HTML stands as a portal to another dimension within a web page. Think of it as a window embedded in the fabric of your site, offering a glimpse into an entirely different web entity. Its purpose is multifaceted, serving as a vessel to seamlessly integrate external content, such as videos, maps, or even entire web pages, into the existing framework. With dframe, you can encapsulate a snippet of the digital universe and bring it harmoniously into your own digital realm. This tag empowers developers to augment their web creations with dynamic, interactive, and diverse content sourced from across the web. Let's delve into the dframe's purpose with a concrete example. Imagine you're crafting a travel blog, eager to illustrate your adventures with captivating visuals and interactive maps. Here, the dframe tag emerges as your ally, enabling you to embed a Google Maps view directly into your blog post. By crafting an dframe element with the appropriate attributes, you can seamlessly integrate the map, allowing your readers to explore your journey's waypoints with a few clicks. Question 10. What is the difference between strong and B tags? Answer. The strong and B tags both visually emphasize text, but they have different semantic meanings. Strong is a semantic tag used to indicate strong importance or emphasis, typically rendering text in bold. It's meant for content that is of greater significance or importance within its context, such as key points in an article or warnings. On the other hand, B is a presentational tag, purely for bold formatting, without conveying any specific semantic meaning. It's often used for aesthetic purposes or to highlight text without implying importance. In essence, strong is for semantic emphasis, while B is for visual styling. These questions cover a range of HTML topics, from basic syntax to more advanced concepts like semantics and accessibility. Familiarizing yourself with these questions and their answers should help you feel more confident and prepared for your HTML interviews in 2024. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.